So Nikki, didn't see you at the baseball game yesterday.
I had dance.
Dance at the baseball.
Dance. I'm currently on my deathbed. Nick and his dad got me sick.
Die.
3 years ago today, I met Nick Prokai at the movie theater. I told him that I would say that in my video blog. It was really cool. It was embarrassing because I fell a few days ago, and then I had this big scratch on my elbow, and it hurt. What am I doing? I can't even think straight.
That's bad.
I'm so sick.
I was gonna do it, but then I'm so tired.
I need to blow my nose. Oh my gosh. Get me home.
Take
So I can die
me
peacefully.
home tonight.
Ah.